We started in the start, and you have to give credit to Coach Cholo and the entire LaSalle team for, syempre, they are representing the green and the white of LaSalle. We know for a fact na nagawa sila ng paraan to compete with us. And being a LaSallian on my own, alam ko yung feeling kung paano lumaban ang mga LaSallista. And you have to, again, give them credit for coming out and starting the game strong, and credit also to our players for staying within the game plan kahit na unahan kami. And once we settled with our game, nakakuha kami ng little bit of momentum and groove, especially nung pumasok sila Aloha inside the court nung second unit back.
You Aloha, you had 9 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists, and plus 15 of the bench. So, ano yung masabi nag-step up kayo? Especially, may nag-struggle yung first unit nyo in the first quarter. Ano yung ginawa nyo para siyempre makuha nyo yung naman?
Yun nga po, sabi nga ni Coach, parang slow starting na rin yung resulta ng first group namin. So, ang challenge sa amin ng second group is paano namin mabawi yung nasimulan ng first group, which is lumipensa lang kami. Tinabaho lang namin yung simulan natin sa defense namin para magtuloy-tuloy na pag-release off.
The floor is open for question.
Coach, alam naman natin na yung huling encounter nyo with LaSalle dito sa USTI, yung na-snap yung 108 game streak nyo. So siguro, how does it feel na ngayon kahit 2 years na nakalipas, nakabawi kayo sa LaSalle at this very day?
Yeah, we're happy na hindi nangyari yung nangyari dati. And same venue, I just don't remember yung same color ng jersey, pero ano ba yun? So, yun, really happy kasi we were not really making our shots from the outside. I don't know, every time we play here, we cannot find our mark in terms of shooting from behind the arc, pero there were times na when we needed the most, nakashoot si Aloha na isa, nakashoot si Sisi ng isa, and si Shelo nakashoot ng isa. It gave us some padding and some cushion in this game. And also, mahirap pagka si Luis San Juan, maliit yung bantay niya, and she shoots over people. And for a couple of times, si Aloha na-shoot ni Luis San Juan. We failed on that, we failed on containing her because she still scored 19 points today. Give credit to her also for improving her game. Meron na siyang mid-range, meron na siyang post, and it will be very, very good for their cause moving forward for their team. But again, once we settled down with our guys, nung nag-refocus kami and reminded them of the game plan, they somehow started doing it, and yeah, doon kami nagkaroon ng konting leverage and cushion sa second quarter, bridging to the third quarter.
Aloha, ikaw, anong recollection mo nung araw na yun yung naputol yung streak ng NU, and ano feeling mo ngayon na ikaw yung nakatulong na hindi maulit yung nangyari nung time na yun?
Of course, ayaw lang namin maulit yung hindi magandang mga nangyari. Of course, gusto lang namin matuto doon sa pangyayari na hindi na yung maulit, lalo na same venue, same yung kalaban namin. So gusto lang namin mag-improve daily, gusto lang namin manalo, gawin yung game plan na maayos. So yun, sabi nga nila sa amin lagi na yung mga other teams na sino pa mga kalaban namin, they will try to get a win against us. So ang gusto lang naman ni Coach, sa lagi sinasabi ni Coach sa amin, is to prevent it. Ayaw lang namin mangyari yung matalo kami, lalo na natalo kami before sa nasa.
Coach, mas marami naman po na-score ng bench, and then balance scoring effort na 12 players yung nakascore. Parang, how important is this na sa team na heading to perhaps the Final Four or the finals na mas maraming players ang nagsistep up na hindi kailangan ng one person to tow the team towards the win?
It's a welcome development again for us. Somehow today, our bench has more points than the other school. Parang, correct me if I'm wrong, kasi parang last 3 games namin, talo yung bench namin in scoring. So, happy today that we finally got what we wanted from our bench, and it propelled us to getting this win today. Also, Surada, hindi nyo napapansin si Surada, pero her rebounding and her passing and her defense was there today. 7 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals with only 1 turnover. That goes to show na hindi puro puntos na nasa isip ni Angel Surada. Nasa isip niya is how she could help the team in so many ways na meron sa isang game.
Coach, next game would be, of course, very important for you kasi it determines whether finals appearance again or magkakaroon ng final four. So, how are we taking this? Kasi medyo matagal pa yun. So, susunod na lang.
Parang 10 days apart yan. No? So, we'll figure it out kung we'll devise a practice plan that would be suitable for us in terms of preparing against FEU. Again, sinabi ko dati, if you're playing a team that's doesn't have any pressure anymore, yun ang pinaka-dangerous na kalaban. If you look over them, pwede ka nilang mapuwin. So our mindset would be, we still do our jobs every time we practice and prepare for them and see how they go. See kung ano mangyayari sa resulta. Pero moving forward sa FEU, they got a guy who torched us in the first round. Mangiet probably scored 27 points against us in the first round. That would be a mark for us na hindi maulit ulit. That will be part of the challenge next game and part of closing the eliminations the right way.
Coach, follow-up lang. Parang 8 AM na tayo game yun. May ano ba, parang dagdag, parang adjustment ba yun?
Which one?
Yung next game yun sa FA, parang 8 AM.
8 AM Phil Oil.
May dagdag adjustments ba?
Wala naman. Sanay naman kami maglaro ng umaga. Yun lang venue, medyo syempre. Another venue. Different for all of us. And we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we shoot better on that court and we defend better on that court.
Congratulations, Coach Aaron.